In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to win deals. First, log into your Pipedrive account and head straight to the deals area. We'll start by setting up your sales pipeline so every opportunity moves through a clear, repeatable path. Create a new pipeline and rename it to Sales Pipeline. Your pipeline is the visual roadmap of how a lead becomes a customer. Getting this right improves focus, forecasting, and collaboration across your team. Add a lead. In stage to capture brand new opportunities the moment they come in. This keeps cold and warm leads from slipping through the cracks and gives you a clean place to qualify them. Next, add a one stage. Having a dedicated finish line helps you report on success and repeat what works. Now let's set the probabilities for key stages. Open the qualified stage and set the probability to 30. This tells your forecast that deals here have early traction but still need work. For the negotiation started stage, set the probability to 70, reflecting a strong chance to close. Finally, set the one stage to 80 to indicate near certainty while allowing for final checks. Save your changes to lock in the pipeline. With the structure in place, add a deal properly. Click on Deal and type in the contact person, the organization, and a clear deal title so it's easy to find later. Add the expected value, then choose the correct currency to keep your reports accurate across regions. Set the probability for this specific deal based on what you know right now, and add a realistic close date to help your forecast and workload planning. Click Save to create the record. Open the deal you just created so we can log activities. This is very important. Click Schedule an activity. Activities are the heartbeat of pipeline momentum. They turn intentions into calendar commitments. Choose Call as the activity type. Add a short note to clarify the goal, then set the date and the time that work for both parties. Click Save, and your next action is now clearly defined. You've just built a focused sales pipeline, added a well-structured deal, and scheduled the follow-up that keeps it moving. Repeat this sequence consistently to win more deals with less chaos. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more.